How to fix the Outlook email view being too large or too small. So here I am in my Outlook account. So I am using the new version or the web version of Outlook. So for example, I open a email right here. And then if you want to change how the view looks, whether it is too large or too small for you, you can go to the view tab right here in your ribbon. Then you can go ahead and use the zoom function. So as you can see, we can zoom in or out on this email. You can also use like the keyboard shortcuts right here, like the control plus the plus sign, control plus the negative sign or the minus sign, and then the control plus zero sign. So what it is that uh, you can click on the plus sign right here in order to make the email bigger. So as you can see, we have a bigger text, and then the email content right here is now zoomed in. If I go ahead and choose the minus button, so as you can see, it zooms out on the email and makes the content smaller. And then we can also click reset right here to reset the size to 100%. And then the other way is that we can use the keyboard shortcuts, where if we go ahead and press Control and then the plus key, it will zoom in on the browser. And then if I go ahead and click the Control and then the minus key, it will zoom out of the browser. So if you are clicking this zoom button right here, and then you use the keyboard shortcuts, what will happen is that it still uses the browser right here. So that's another way of changing the email view. So either you can zoom in or out of the browser, or you can zoom in or out of that specific email itself. So let me just reset the size right here, 100%. And then the other things that you can do to change the email view is that you have here the density function or the density feature. So you can click on that. So right now we are using the roomy option. So we can choose the cozy option, and as you can see, it minimizes the space between all of your content right here in Outlook. Then you can also choose compact, where it uses the more minimal size between the spaces right here in your Outlook inbox. So just choose what you prefer, either compact, cozy, or roomy. And then what you can do is that you can also go to view settings. From here, you can change the text size and spacing. So right now we are using large. We can use medium. So as you can see, the text has changed its size. And then we can also use small right here. So now you can see that the font size or the text size is much smaller. So just choose what you prefer. And then you can also use all of the other settings right here, like if you want to change the message height, the message organization, and so on. So if you are using the classic version of Outlook, there is also a way to change the email view. So for example, I will open the classic version of Outlook right here. And then I can go ahead and go to an email, like for example, let's say I open this email right here. Then we can do the same thing. We can go to the view tab in the ribbon. Then there is also an option right here to change the email view. So for example, you can use tighter spacing. So as you can see, the inbox uses tighter spacing as well as the email. You can also go to the view settings right here. Then you can change the format of the font. Like for example, we can go right here to other settings. So we can see the fonts and other table view settings. So now we have the column font and then the row font. So now we are using the 8-point or like the 8 font size whenever we navigate through Outlook. So we can change that. For example, instead of 8, we can use 10. And then we can also change the font size right here. So let's say 10, and then for the row font, 10 as well. Then we can click OK, and then click OK again. And then as you can see, we now have a bigger font size for our inbox as well as for the email. Then what we can also do is that we can open the email in another window. So for example, I will double click on this, and then we also have the zoom feature right here. So we can click on zoom, and then we can zoom to 200%. Like that, we have a bigger content of the email. We can zoom in to, or zoom out to 75%. So now we have a smaller font right here for our email, or we can choose our custom percentage right here. So let's say we choose 60%, and then we have a smaller text size for the email right here. So just choose what you prefer. And then that is basically it. So that is how you can fix the Outlook email view being too large or too small, both in the classic version of Outlook and the new version of Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.